Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I have another parcel from Daraz. So let's open it and find out what is it. Comment down below what is inside of it, because you never guess and never comment now. This time you have to comment down below. So thank you for bye.
Comments.
Why do you always have to make it? If I tell you there in one box there are 4 things, you must be impressed. So it's almost maybe open. So let's hurry up and open it. By the way, have you subscribed or thumbs up? But subscribe and thumbs up are very important. At least you can subscribe for me, so I can get a YouTube play button. Then I can give it to you. If you subscribe, then I can give it to you when it will come. Then I can give it. Else you cannot have it. So it's not my fault. So goodbye for a sec. It's so tight.
Let me come to help you.
Yes. No, it's just open already. I don't now need help. This scissor is not that good. Look, there are some puzzles. There are some puzzles. These are puzzles. Look.
Puzzle of
One.
Read name. Baba Khyber.
Baba Khyber. This is Baba Khyber.
Minar,
This is Minar, Pakistan.
Mazar Qaid. Mazar Qaid.
This is Mazar Qaid.
K2 mountain.
This is Qaid mountain. The highest mountain is this.
How many pieces each box have?
I don't know.
There is written.
Where?
Find out here.
There in all boxes there, like in this one, there are 100 pieces. Look, it's written 100. 100. So let's only open one. This one, let's open it. Then I'll show you the puzzle. We are just opening one. Where should I open it? I found it. Look, there are so many puzzles. These are 100. And look at this. These are the other. Look, it's written. It's so cool. So thank you for watching my video.
When you will solve it, you will show them.
When I will solve it, then I can show it to you. I will make another video, but when I will solve all of the one, then I can show you. So make sure to subscribe. I already said that. So hurry up and subscribe. Goodbye. Dun, da, da, da.